Hey, greetings, Korbanth saber fans. Today we're going to show off the Apprentice OWK. This saber is a Obi-Wan Kenobi saber, but it wasn't seen in any films. It is more on the cover of a couple of paperback books called Jedi Apprentice. They came out, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago, chronicling the Obi-Wan Kenobi when he was about 12 years old, being led around by his master Quigon. So apparently this is his very first built saber. You only see it on the cover of the paperback books, so it's sort of a, I guess you could say almost a concept saber. So, but you know, everybody loves a good Kenobi saber, so that's why we made it. Let me show you how it works. So you have two buttons. You have this is the one that turns it on. And then if you hold it, turns it off. Turn it on. You can also twist it, and it turns off. This is your font button.
Someday I will be the most powerful Jedi ever.
The Force is with you.
So to get into it, you just open up this pommel, and the chassis comes out. You have the button, the other button, Profi, the SD card, the battery, and the, oh, here it is. That's the on-off switch. So if you turn it off and turn it back on.
So uncivilized.
And then what you do is make sure that these two buttons here are lined up with these two buttons, so it just goes in one way. I think also when you get it so far, you can't put it in wrong. It won't let you go in, so it's on a groove. So you push it in, and then you go ahead and put this back on. Right there is the blade retention screw. So when you put the blade in, the way I do it is I do this. I put this in, I put the blade in, turn it on, and then I go over and I use the Allen key to tighten it. Some people have just put the blade in, tightened it, and then turned it on, and it doesn't light up. It's because sometimes your Allen key can be either too tight or not tight enough. So I put it in this way. I put the blade in first, light it up, and then use the Allen key to tighten it. And that's all you really got to do. There's not much to know about this saber. It's fairly straightforward, and it's a great little cool saber that you don't find a lot of places. So hope that helps you. If you have any questions, you know where to come. Have a great day.